In a joint statement from DCFD and the Metropolitan Police Department, MPD, officials said that multiple calls came in for an aircraft crash above the Potomac River near Reagan National Airport, DCA, just after 8:50 p.m. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, said that preliminarily, investigators believe that a regional jet with American Airlines that was approaching DCA's runways collided with a helicopter. The plane had departed from Kansas. Ward 2 Councilmember Brooke Pinto said a helicopter crashed into a 60-person passenger plane in mid-air, causing it to fall into the river. We're aware of reports that American Eagle Flight 5342, operated by PSA, with service from Wichita, Kansas, ICT, to Washington Reagan National Airport, DCA, has been involved in an incident. We will provide information as it becomes available. Fireboats responded to the scene along with the Metropolitan Police Department, MPD, United States Park Police, Montgomery County Fire and Rescue System and other agencies from surrounding jurisdictions. Officials said that DCFD, MPD and other agencies were coordinating search and rescue in the river. Ward 6 Councilmember Charles Allen said DCFD is making water rescues and is asking people to stay away from the area to allow first responders space to work. All takeoffs and landings were halted at DCA as emergency personnel responded to the incident. As of 10 p.m., there was no information about casualties. The National Transportation Safety Board will lead the investigation with help.